Hi there, calling all women entrepreneurs. I'm talking to you, the freelancers, the consultants, the founders, the small business owners. Have you found yourself feeling a bit disappointed lately with the way your business is going? Especially those of you who created your business to make a difference to other people, to the world, and to your own lifestyle. Are you finding that you're just not attracting those dream clients that you'd hoped of? Maybe you're not attracting the income that you know will sustain you and give you the lifestyle you really want, and you're not making the impact that you know that you could do if only you could reach enough people and the right kind of people. If that sounds like you, stay tuned. I'm going to talk about 3 things briefly that are really important to nail to take your business to the next level. So the first one is how you connect with the people out there who really, really need what you offer. Knowing how to do that well is critical. The second one might surprise you. It's about your relationship to money itself. So many people undercharge or they over-deliver because deep down there's some shame or guilt around their feelings around money. And thirdly, this is the big one actually, it's the alignment you have with your own dreams. Do you really trust your dream? Each of these 3 things I've talked about are really important and they deserve a deep dive, some time where you can pause and really think about these things. There's lots of information out there, much of it free on the internet, but really being guided through those areas is vitally important, like you would do on a retreat, for example. And that's what I'm offering you, is an online 3-day retreat. It's actually 3 mornings. We're going to deep dive into those topics so that you can have time to pause and really think about what you're doing, how you're thinking, and what's the block in your business and what's the next biggest opportunity. So if you'd like to join us for those 3 days, I promise you it will be very interesting. It won't be boring. It will be active. There will be breaks. I'm going to be giving away lots of bonuses. Click the link below to find out more, and I would love to see you in the room so that I can actually answer your questions personally and guide you out of feeling disappointed into a much more empowered and abundant space. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for listening. Bye.